Babe, let's have another. Mi vuelta paparito. ¿Y qué me importa a mí? Wrestling. You stoned, right?
Good. You're leaking.
You leaking?
Oof.
Oh, they broke your water. And who's watching baseball?
Alvin.
I bet you were talking some disparates.
Really? What was I saying?
Here, kitty, kitty. Here, kitty.
No, I wasn't.
You're saying, Reina, stop it.
Wait, really?
Yeah.
I was? Oh my God. Really?
You could have told me si me la pegaste. ¿Me la pegaste tú? ¿Tú me la pegabas a mí?
Yep.
You sure? That's a nice room.
What time is it? What time is that? 39? Okay, yeah, 4:40. 4:40. Okay.
Okay, I'm gonna put him over here, let him warm up.
Yeah, put your foot down here.
Okay.
That's great. Now just rip it down the light back.
Always grabbing his oxygen here. Let's get him off that blanket if we can. Okay. Get up there.
You need an extra tube of blood?
Just
blood?
got it. Oh, next slide. I thought they were in here. They are. Yeah, that's a good size.
Would you rather food?
Tiene una cabeza.
Oh, we got a lot of meat. Boy, did. Oh, my gosh, that's cool.
Oh, good. Maybe 6, 8.
Picture. Hey, we go down at the base of the cord. If you just take a cotton ball, you can soak a cotton ball with it, and then just. Oh, is she gonna come in? She probably won't come in and do the surgery.
We gotta tell the parents that they can.
Have you done
Aprende, nena, aprende. Okay, I'm next.
Yeah.
The second round is just because if they have any questions.
You want the baby?
Hi. Yeah, this is me again, Meryl Palmer about Kilmer. Yeah, you just call me. Where are you going? Okay.
This is probably me.
Who called me?
About phototherapy for baby Kilmer. Okay. Yeah, that's who it was.
Ay, bendito.
Yeah.
Big?
Yeah.
Told you.
Hi, would you ask Dr. Robbins if we can use the wall of the unit, if that would be all right?
Ok, papito, ay Dios, ¿qué es esto?
No, you've got an appointment tomorrow, right?
Ask him.
Look at him, little boy. Brindando on him. And little fat.
You're gonna take him back down? That was so I can call transportation.
Sure, yep.
Okay, we're done dressing.
Okay. I'm gonna go ahead and call transportation. They're gonna take you out. I've got one more.
Looking, following the stars. Don't need a bucket list.
There's Sandy with our newborn.
Central Florida's WLOQ is staying from the Soul Cave. I'm going to say the Soul Train.
Okay, now. How? Ay, qué feo se ha tirado.
Really? Look at your boyfriend.
He got his eyes open.
Yes, I hear it.
I think you're already hungry.
Yeah, they didn't feed him. Last time they fed him was at 12.
12. ¿Cómo es? The last time they fed him was 12 o'clock.
A las 12 les van a comer.
What you think of the boy, huh? What you think of my boy?
I get to hold him?
Here, you have that.
That's
All
for the
right.
baby.
I'm holding him right?
Oh, she said.
All right.
Help
My
them.
nephew here.
Give him sucking. Look at him sucking his hand, baby. Listen to him sucking his hand.
You give yourself a hickey. No? You're not gonna give yourself a hickey? I know what I'm doing. I know what I'm doing. I'm hungry. So I'm gonna get me a bottle quick.
You take this with you?
Hi, babe.
Oh, lávalo que se cayó. They gave it to us. He grabbed onto that, man.
She like it.
uno más bonito que este. Look for them.
Oh, yeah, the blue one.
You got a good, better looking than this.
Those little eyebrows are coming in now.
Reina, nice.
Yeah.
Say bye. Bye, see you later.
Bye.
Bye.
Ve la cabecita, Ricky.
Yeah. It's round now.
Qué hambre, ¿ah?
He hasn't eaten since 12 o'clock. It's already 4.
That's another thing. Like,
And Reina wants
Like
attention.
every 4 hours.
Right?
You know because they start going, mire, yo creo que estoy muy grande para esta cosa. Okay, okay. Dame el azul.
Look, está buscando. It's like a porno film.
And another one.
You gotta do it quick before he pees in your face. Maybe I could send it to America's Funniest Home Video if he pees in your face.
Mami, esto está todo vomitado.
Sí, yo me tengo que quitar esto.
Okay, you good.
¿Dónde tú echas esto?
En la basura.
No, save it. Maybe you want to take it to work. Ay, pipi.
Que tú le vomitaste a abuela, ¿qué es hecho? ¿Ah? ¿Qué vomitera? Ay, Dios mío. Este es pipí.
Yeah, shut up.
Toma tu bobita. Nunca se queda con hambre.
Ya cagué, amor.
¿Esos son de los paños que te regalan?
No, these are the ones we bought.
They look big.
I mean, you're so dry though. I know. I know. You tired?
AJ, you've been here half an hour and you're a terror.
A little, no, man, he's a good baby.
Driving us crazy already.
He's got us upside down. Mira qué cosa linda. Mira qué cosa linda. Huh? You did a good job here. A mí.
Ya vino aquí a vomitar, ¿verdad? Ni media hora.
Chacho, revocó a todo el mundo.
Had this game been played in postseason, then the tape of the game would be at the Hall of Fame tomorrow morning. Against all sinker ball pitcher, ties the game.
So you happy, babe?
Yes. You showed his look.
Yeah, I showed it to him.
Very happy.
And that tied it
Baby.
1-1, and with 2 out and nobody on, in the bottom of the 10th inning, Joe Babers, high changeup it looked like, and Hubie Brooks lifted it high and far.
Yo estoy loca para ir a comer en ese sitio nuevo que hay al lado de la primera. Dice que hay piragua.
Hey, wake up.
Solo cojo de tan cerquita.
And if he played every day, one theory is maybe they'll find the holes in this way, but I don't think he's I think he's a legitimate 300 hitter. He's 25 days.
South DeKalb Junior College, where he was born in 1981. Free balls, no strikes, no way turn.
Sharperson is confident enough, has given up high. He'll make you throw him another strike.
Pero es como son los cuerpos. El cuerpo espera que uno le den antes, entonces empezar a
Eso me dijo eso a mí, yo creía que era cosa de esa. Yo que no servía.
No, tú eres bella. Tú eres bella.
Jack Armstrong for the Reds will have it for you at
Yo tengo ganas de
7:30
dejar que crecer el pelo.
Eastern time tomorrow. 7:30 right here on TBS. Saturday's game will be on Sports South.
Yo siempre
es malo.
no viste el gallo ni va a ver.
Pues Sam Butler there?
It's really going to be fun having you for other than
How did you ever talk to me like that?
Uh-oh, he's gonna cry.
I didn't think you were fun.
Okay. What's the matter? What's the matter? What's the matter? Oh, he's hungry, yep. Oh, he's looking for something.
I'm gonna heat up his mouth. It's a roll.
refrigerator.
To think that in 2 days, my firstborn will be
You hungry, AJ?
Not let him, you know, roll himself over, but he starts wearing his neck and he comes down.
You hungry?
Now, just accept the fact that I am not having a big wedding. And you say it's so out of trust that you just let me do this my own way, huh? You think this is for me? For me? Well, forget me. I'm not important. But what about your father? Think of his feelings. I know it doesn't matter how. Doesn't matter. Well, let me tell you, little lady, that just the other day I heard that poor man say to your Aunt Rose, if Rhoda doesn't have a big wedding, there will be. You have actually planned.
What's the matter with you, huh?
At your apartment. No,
Ow, ow!
ceremony. What do you consider?
Don't break my hand.
Anything over 12 people. I may have overstepped. How many, Ma? Not counting musicians, 79. Oh, the gift! You are awe-inspiring. Yeah. You know, in a
Open your eyes.
crazy way, she may be a great woman. You can't do this, Ma. You really can't. Yeah, you're not going to force me to do it. I mean, you can do a lot, but this you can't do. No way. You have no respect yourself. Ma, I'm going to have my marriage the way I want to have it, the way I planned it originally, no matter what. Because this took me a matter. Not to mention Grandmother Morgenstern, who, when I called her at the home...
Reina, no.
Invite her to your wedding, said that she never thought that she'd live to see you get married. She got you. Okay, Ma, okay. You win. If it's all right with Joe, I want my bottle.
All right, honey. Hold on. Let me get...
Como un caloco yo con los ojos abiertos.
Todavía. Es una pitadita en un plato. Mira, se ha robado el show. Se ha robado el show.
Qué milagro que no está llorando.
Se ha robado el show. Se ha robado el show.
Is his former amateur coach, Jim Montgomery.
Está como llorando menos, ¿verdad?
Oiga, llorando.
We're told that Camacho's Corner asked their fighter to be economical.
Oh, great.
Conserve energy, don't waste punches. Camacho in this round than was the case in the first stanza.
Cabezón, ¿verdad? Como el tío mío, cabezón.
Eso, mira.
As we listen to Hector Camacho's Corner, translate congratulations from former two-time world champion Ruben Castillo.
Throw your left hand straight, just like you're doing it. Don't murder yourself.
When I was showing him the video, every video you
Control
take,
yourself. You're doing fine.
whatever's on TV.
Not the range now. Range is beautiful. Muévelo mucho, muévelo mucho. Move him hard.
Adiós, ese eso, el tren de Camacho es mexicano. Camacho es mexicano.
On the bout, you're going to see that Pernell Whitaker connected on 52% of his punches. But Anthony Jones at least stayed just as busy, throwing 28 more punches in the bout than Whitaker, landing at a much lower rate, but as Harold Letterman said, it was a style of fight that seemed more up the alley of Anthony Jones than the consummate boxer Pernell Whitaker. Let's go to Larry Merchant with the champion.
All right.
Pero el knockdown, ¿tú viste? Gracias, mira, puede hacer más que ese molestar, perfecto. Pero a mí es más lindo chiquito, este es uno de ellos. Dios te lo bendiga. Y que no te enfermes, pues. Mira cómo se queda en el bajo. Ya es ¿verdad?
Ay, Dios mío. Don't piss me off. He's hungry. He's hungry. Raina, what's wrong with the baby? I gotta get more milk out. Look at him. He's after it.
Are still beads. You'll find New Finish is great for fiberglass boats too. So get New Finish, the once-a-year car polish. And between polishings, use New Finish car wash.
Hey, you, Raina, go back.
New Finish Liquid, rated #1 by leading consumer magazines, available at Sears, Woolworth, Kroger, True Value, Ace Hardware, Western Auto, Eckerd Drug, Walgreens, Kmart, and other leading stores.
Come here, Raina.
3 out of 4 men think UFOs are fake, and 3 out of 4 can do Elvis. And 3 out of 4 win in Blockbuster Video's $20 million win in the Flash game. Win more movies, win more prizes. Up to $100,000 or that's millions of years. Plus delicious extras for pizza. They're making it great. So play today. Blockbuster Video. Wow.
As an ERA broker, I know when you're first in service, you have to prove it every day. ERA advanced the Ryans $93,000 of equity to buy their new home. The Walker's house
Empuja, caga.
ERA home warranty.
Esto era. ¿Qué pasa? Okay.
Took a nice dump.
Everything better, huh? Huh? No?
No.
Huh.
Don't even start again. Okay, let's go.
AJ. AJ. What are you doing? Say hello to Grandma and Grandpa. Hello, hello, hello. Who? Hey, Jay.
Oh God, it's funny. Again with Oscar.
Esa es Reina imitando a AJ. Pero Reina no llora. Reina. Somebody's sleeping. There you go. Maria Lisa.
Hi, babe.
This is Sandy.
Back into shape.
She's back in shape. With AJ's Reeboks.
Okay, cut. Come on, okay, babe. Babe.
Oh, you got no bra on?
Come here, Reina. Let's see Reina.
Yeah, we saw Rain already.
Oh, okay.
Y este no se despierta ni por nada. Está mío.